Hey, it's been exactly 2 years since my hair transplant, a procedure that got me from this to what I'm now. Coming to this point was not that easy, at least first, but as time was passing by, all got where it needed to be. So here I am to share with you once again my experience after the hair transplant, how I feel about it, are there any issues, and for a conclusion, my opinion, should any of you do it if there is a chance. Let's talk, but first the question, have you been considering hair transplant? Please answer below. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Markings. This channel is all about Apple, with few exceptions like this one now. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by Benks. After testing Infinity Pro stand for iPad Pro, Infinity Max stand for MacBook, and different iPhone accessories like cases and wireless MagSafe chargers, I got another round of iPhone 16 Pro cases. Armor Pro montage case built with Kevlar with MagSafe support and new camera shutter button. Another one is MagClap Billy's case with so-called Adopt Freeze Mat that cools your iPhone while working seamlessly with MagSafe accessories. Benks also included Glass Warrior Sapphire screen protector, an Armor Pro phone grip, and a stand also made of aramid fibers. Check out these awesome products by Benks. The link is in the description and a pinned comment. Use Digital Markings 15 code and get 15% off. Now let's go. In case you're new here, around 24 months ago, I was convertible. Don't get me wrong, I wasn't very concerned with it. Perhaps while I was at high school I could feel discomfort when I hear something like your hair is thin and you will likely get bald. Essentially, this is what happened. But after first head shave, I got used to it quite easily and accepted it. With that out of the way, that does not mean that I didn't consider hair transplant at one point. I was also looking for various solutions that could help me to get my hair back. Although it didn't make a lot of sense, especially since follicles were already long gone. As a reminder from the first two videos about this subject, the biggest challenge for me was the recovery period, with lack of sleep, since it was painful to put my head down even with the travel pillow. That is the reason why I slept for the first couple of nights in my work chair instead. Otherwise, overall process was almost painless if we exclude injections of anesthesia, which lasted no more than 10 minutes in 2 surgeries. If you haven't seen my original video, now it's time to check it out. When I came home, I was really making sure that I follow the procedure, with gentle massages daily with nutritive foam and vitamin-rich shampoo that I've been provided with by a clinic in order to feed my scalp, improve blood circulation, and to remove scabs and the remnants of the surgery. 2 or 3 months after the treatment, I did not expose my hair to direct sun, sweat, nor rain, God forbid swimming pool and sea. And yes, 1 month after the surgery, I went for 4 PRP sessions. Overall, I was really careful. After initial shock loss, the hair began to grow more and more. Results became really obvious somewhere between 4th and 6th month and continued to improve until it reached 1 year time frame. Now, after reading few articles and watching some of the videos, and this is not something that I'm 100% certain, so feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, but after the surgery within the recipient region, the hair growth cycle is practically reset. So the hair starts to grow from every transplanted follicle more or less simultaneously, passing through all stages at almost equal time, which, as far as I understood, is not as natural. This is why there is an impression that after 12 months, your hair really explodes. Therefore, I opted to wait 2 years, until the growth cycles became more random, and with this, I assume more natural. So the final result is what you see now. And to me, this looks great. Every second or third day, I wash my hair with a shampoo, preferably without artificial rubbish because my skin is quite sensitive. I do use conditioner to prevent dryness, and for most of the time, I have no problems. My dry skin has always been prone to rashes and irritations just a day after the hair wash. Lucky for me, this has been resolved with conditioner, and it's not the best quality out there, maybe even one of the cheapest one. I did not try or use any minoxidil solutions or anything like it so far. The only supplement that I'm still taking is a blend of zinc, selenium, biotin, and few vitamins and minerals, and that's all. I do normal haircuts. I even partially shave donor's area, comparable to the first couple of months after the surgery. Obviously, I do go outside. I expose myself to rain or sunlight. Honestly, I think it was well worth it. As I always say to anyone that is asking me, if you are considering hair transplant and you can afford it, do it. My DHI hair transplant was done with more than 6,600 grafts. I'm perfectly happy with what I got now, and I will enjoy it as long as it lasts. For how long, we will see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. As always, this is Marco. Talk to you soon. Cheers.